Hey my loves, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Channel. I am back here with another video. So today I'm going to show you guys how to achieve a good makeup look on a budget using drugstore products. If you're from the UK like me, using stuff that you will find now in your local Superdrugs, okay? And yeah, so stay tuned and keep watching if you want to see how I'm looking fabulous and flawless. Yeah, just stay tuned and keep watching, alright? I want to put a link to the stuff that I got online down below, and yeah, shades, everything. Alright, so stay tuned and keep watching. So my face is clean, nice and moisturized. First of all, I'm going to use my foundation. Guys, I haven't grabbed these two foundations in a minute. NYX Can't Stop, Won't Stop, and I've got the L'Oreal one here, L'Oreal True Match. Okay, I really love the full coverage on the NYX, but NYX is more, this one here is more of a matte finish. This one gives me that more dewy and glowy effect. Okay, so let me start blending this out first. So I'm just using my makeup brush, and this is from my makeup line. I'll definitely be launching this soon. I'm gonna, all my OGs on this channel, you know that I like my foundation to be darker than my skin tone, well, than my face anyway. The girls that get it, the girls that don't. So I like it to be that way so that I'll be able to play around with my concealer, etc. So I think I covered enough. Like LA Girl Pro concealer in shade Chestnut. I haven't had a chance to buy new ones yet, so I need to squeeze the heck out of this. And I want to keep this look as simple as possible, guys. I don't think I want to do too much. I don't know, my too much and you guys is too much. It might be different. So you just want to take your damp beauty blender and start blending out the product. You see, I'm already like becoming a bad bee. Concealer, I'm sure it's like £4, and foundation is probably £12. So you guys, you don't need to spend like pounds, like loads and loads of dollars or pounds, wherever you're watching, to look cute. It's about your technique, really. So the next concealer I'm using is the Juvias Place, and this is also inexpensive. From when it's in Superdrugs, yeah, it's on a budget for us still. So I'm just going to use that to brighten my under eye, just a little bit more. But this one I find it more liquidy. It's not on a thick like side, so I'm going to let this sit a little bit longer than the LA Girl Pro. But in the meantime, I'm going to contour using the Juvias Place Stick Foundation in shade Congo. Your girl is from Congo. I'm going to keep saying it each time I use this, okay? To remind you guys, all of this chocolate that you see right here is from Congo, okay? So I'm gonna keep telling you guys where I'm from, where I am from, okay? I am Mutitela, so we are Bondunaloso, which I love. If you guys don't know what that is, it's cassava leaves. Alright, so I think I made that a bit too much. I should have focused it a bit more. But I got carried away talking. Well, we'll fix it. We'll go back and fix where our contour stops from in a minute. But in the meantime, let's do this. I'll do this for now. I hate doing this, but I have to. I'll fix it more with my foundation brush, but you guys can see, you guys can focus in the middle. I think it's time to blend this. Sorry, I keep looking over here because I've got a large mirror. Don't worry about the eyelids, we'll fix it. The top. Alright, so I'm gonna go off and do this side, and I'll be right back. I am back. I'm just going over with my foundation brush and just brushing the bottom. Okay, I think I've put one side in more. Okay, now it's time to set the face. I was supposed to go out and buy setting powder, but I remembered that I've got a black owned brand setting powder that I'm going to show you guys. Okay, got the Brown Melanin loose setting powder. Hope you guys can see that. You guys do check them out and get rid of some and just be gentle. Ooh, honey. And we're using a damp beauty blender. Okay. Flawless. This looks. It literally set the face. You just bake the sides of my nose. And I look like this on a budget. Honey. I'm going to take Juvias Place bronzer. Juvias Place bronzer. And we are going to bronze, honey. We love our bronzers. I actually love bronzers more than contouring. I think bronzer does something. It just, yeah. And I'm just gonna bronze it above my contour. Basically, it's setting my contour as well at the same time, because I'm not really a fan of contouring my face too much now. I prefer the bronzer. Let the cream do its thing and then just bronze with the powder. So guys, I forgot to quickly show you. I'm taking the Makeup Revolution X Tammy contour palette, and I've had this for a while. Like, look, the mirror is even broken, and I'm just using this shade here to bring a bit of color to my face. And this is very pigmented. You want to be scared of this thing. Like, a little bit goes a long way. I'm just gonna lightly contour my nose using the Juvias Place contour palette, bronzer palette. Yeah. I'm going back with this powder, just taking a little bit on my brush, just a little bit, so that I can blend this out. Just dust it off, but we're also applying a little bit more, but lightly. So guys, I don't have a setting spray, from a drugstore, but I've got this vitamin E skincare hydrating mist, and you can get this in Superdrugs. So we're going to use this as our setting spray, yeah. Just to see what I'm working with. Woo! And I haven't used this in a minute. It looks good. Okay, I know this stuff takes a minute to dry. You can use it as your primer. It's really good. You can use it under your makeup as well after doing your whole face routine and stuff. That's what I normally do, and it's for normal to dry skin as well. Skin's looking good. Okay, not too bad. And for the brows, if you want the soapy look, you can get the brow glue, the brow glue from NYX, and a little bit of this goes a long way. And for my brow pencil, I'm going to take the Juvias Place brown pencil, and this is in shade Ebony, which I think it is going to be a bit dark, but we've got the black hair going on today. I'm going to conceal the bottom and I'll be right back. So I am back. I just went over with the felt tip pen by Juvias Place brows. I sculpt. So I just went over that with my brows because I just wanted it to be more defined, because yeah. But so far we good. I'm just gonna quickly do my eyes, taking the same bronzer, and I'm just putting that all over my lid. Don't really want to do anything drastic. Just putting that on my lid, and then, yeah, you can see. Just use your blending brush for my line, and just do that. Just put your bronzer on your lid. This looks so cute. I think I want to be doing this more often, guys. I don't know if you guys can see it, but it's showing. So I've applied my lashes, and they're also from my line, but these ones are out of stock right now. Yeah, they're out of stock. So time to do the lips. I'll just putting my foundation brush around my lip. I can't find a lip liner, so grab a concealer. Can't find a drugstore lip liner. Just grabbing this foundation stick. And this is what I use to contour, basically. So I'm just using it to outline my lips. Nothing wrong with that. It works. I'm going to use, I think I'm just grabbing loads of Juvias Place at this point. Juvias Place, you can, thank you for all my PRs. I love your product. Thank you so much. It got me looking so fine. Lips, I'm going to use Juvias Place lip gloss in bronzed rose. I can't find my Shanakitima diamond one, but we'll keep it so. If you know me, you should know I love my glossy lips, but this is gloss, but subtle, matured gloss. Okay, but anyways, I'm liking this. Anyways, if you guys have come this far, that means you've come to the end of my video. Thank you so much for tuning in, and I hope you guys do look like baddies on a budget, like May. Yeah, I'm actually liking this. It's not as bad as I thought it would, it will go, but yeah, it looks good. It looks good. I'm liking it. What do you guys think? Do comment and let me know down below. And yeah, I feel like I did one of my eyelashes wrong, but who cares? Who cares? But yeah, that's what I gotta say. Just taking all of this melanin and chocolate, like, it's giving, right? It's giving. Like, you're with me, right? It's giving. I love this. If you guys want to see more videos like this, do comment down below and let me know what you think, what you want me to record on this channel. And what else is there to say? Nothing. I'll see you guys on my next one. Okay, bye. Chocolate, I stayed chocolate.